Today we are going to discuss about the part 1 of algebra. Previously we discussed about how do we form the equations from the sentences, and we at the end we gave a problem to start with. Now I hope you have gone through all these questions and tried to do some calculations or some form of converting these questions into equations. But let me give you some more details about this. How do you convert this text form into equations so that it is more clear for you? Let's take toys puzzle example. So here what it is saying, you had some puzzle pieces, you lost 3 and now you have left 9 left. How many pieces did you start with? So if you take only this area, you had some puzzle pieces. So let's assume that some puzzle pieces equals to x, and now you lost 3 from that x, so that means x minus 3. So lost means minus, negation, negative, you have to remove. Or if the statement says like you gained 3 more or you added 3 more, then it becomes x plus 3. So since it was mentioned like you lost 3, I wrote x minus 3. And now what they are saying, and now you have left 9. So that means this x minus 3 is equivalent to 9. So then the moment any negative will move from left side to right side of the equation or vice versa, then it changes its sign. So then it becomes 9, minus becomes plus, so then it becomes 3. So x equals to 12. 9 plus 3, 12. So this way we can simply form a algebra equation and solve our things. So this is very much simple because you have just plus and minus, so it is easy for you. Let's go to the little bit tougher one. It means it feels tougher one for you. And then, so you buy some juice boxes, each one cost $2 and you spend $10. How many juice boxes did you buy? So you buy some juice boxes. Let's assume that juice boxes equals to x and each one costs $2. So that means each one is costing 2, then each one, since the moment they says each one costs $2, you have to consider that as 2 multiplied by x, and then and you spend $10. So that means you spend for these 2 times of unknown boxes $10. So that now the equation is becoming like this. So then simply before if anything is multiplied before equation equal to sign, and when it is go from left side to the right side of the equation, the multiplication will becomes division, or if the division is going from denominator is going from left side of the equation to the right side, then it becomes multiplication. So then x becomes 10 by 2 and then x equals to 5. Okay, so now with the equation it is good. Now you might be having a question, why I have to multiply 2 with x? Why I am not dividing 2, or why I am not adding 2? So why are you saying that 10 is equivalent to 2x? So these questions will come. So let's take randomly. So 10, how many parts I can divide? Let's assume that 2 parts I will divide. So then it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is one part, second part, third part, fourth part, fifth part. Now if you see, if I divide 10 into 2 groups, then I got 5. Or simply you can say 10 divided by each one cost is 2. So that's the reason I got 5. So my total is x and my each one is 2 and unknown is x. So that's why I got x equals to 5. Let's go to the another example. So you and your 3 friends equally share some pizza slices. Each of you got 2 slices. How many slices were there in total? Now, let's say you and your 3 friends equally share some pizza slices. Each of you got 2 slices. How many slices were there? So let's take example. First is you plus 3 friends. That means total is 4. And how many slices you got? Is each one got 2 each. So unknown total slices is x, which is unknown. So now to get total slices, what you have to do? Each slice should be multiplied with how many people were there totally. So total 4. So then it becomes 8. So this way you can get x equal to 8, which is total number of pieces. So where you divided this 8 pieces among 4 friends. So if I want to draw a pizza like this, 1. So now this become how many pieces? 1, 2, 3. And now it became 4 pieces, 8 pieces. So let's say one friend, you took this part. This is done. Two pieces. Then your friend took this part. Then second friend took this part. Third friend took this part. Now it is matching, right? Total you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it is matching, right? Matching with the value you got. So you can also do this way. So always think logically, like whatever the answer you got is correct or not, you backtrace it. So now I have 8 pieces. Let's take an example. You assume, like the previous example, assume you have 8 pieces and you don't know how many pieces you want to connect, and you only have 4 friends. Then now what would be your number of share? 8 by 4, that means 2. So you can say you will get 2 pieces per person. So this is person count, this is total count, this will become then individual piece. So this way you can do it n number of times you want. Next, movie tickets. So each movie ticket cost 8. You buy 3 tickets and spend 24. How much does one ticket cost? So here the question itself is giving total answers. So I don't want to take this example, but let me give you an example. Like each movie cost, you don't know. So you buy 3 tickets. So then it becomes x multiplied by 3, that and spend 24. So then it becomes 24 by 3, which is nothing but 8. So each movie cost is 8. So instead of giving x, I mistakenly gave direct answer. So this is how you convert. So this is the reason you can simply like by 24 divided by 3, then you will get each ticket cost. And next, candy sharing. You have some candies. Your friend gives you 5 more. Now you have 12 candies in total. So total candies is now 12. and you have some candies. That sum is nothing, you don't know. So the sum is X. And they said your friend gave 5. In the first example, you lost some biscuits or some toys, sorry. And now in this example, it is saying like your friend gave you 5 more, and now you have total of 12. So then X equals to 12 minus 5. So that nothing but X equals to 7. So this tells initially you have 7 candies and your friend gave 5, and then this becomes total 12. So this way you can do it easily. All the algebra converting problem to statement to a algebraic equation will be made easy. So the more you practice, the more you will get uh, experience, and you can easily convert any sentence or statement into algebraic form. Thank you so much. We can meet for the next lesson.